Tired of missing your favorite SEC college sports action? Let's dive into how you can catch all the SEC Network Plus games you crave right on YouTube TV. First things first, you'll need an active YouTube TV subscription. SEC Network Plus isn't a standalone channel. It's an extension of the main SEC network, accessible through the ESPN section within YouTube TV. Once you're subscribed, navigate to the Live tab on YouTube TV and scroll through your channel guide until you find the ESPN section. You'll typically find SEC Network and SEC Network Plus events listed here. But SEC Network Plus content won't always appear as a dedicated channel. To find upcoming SEC Network Plus events, check the YouTube TV schedule or browse the ESPN section closer to Game Time. YouTube TV often promotes live events on the home screen too, so keep an eye out for featured SEC matchups. The best part, you can stream SEC Network Plus on virtually any device that supports YouTube TV, including your smartphone, tablet, computer, or smart TV. Just make sure you're logged into your YouTube TV account. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy live college sports and more with SEC Network Plus on YouTube TV. Now you can enjoy every thrilling moment and support your favorite team.